good afternoon, or possibly good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hi, I'm Scott from Tidy Bricks Landscaping. Today, I'm going to be showing you DIYers out there how to set out your own patio. So I know it's quite a popular thing at the moment. Nobody can go on holiday, so they're spending money in their gardens. So if you're thinking of doing your own patio this year, watch this video because it's going to be quite informative for you by using some easy materials which you can get from any DIY stockists. Some roofing batten, some string line, and some corner blocks to hold the string line. So what we're basically going to do, we're going to go right the way around this perimeter. We're going to screw some battens to the wall, and we're going to run string lines off the battens, which means then you have something to go to lay your tiles. So follow my instructions and you too will be able to do your own patio without having the added cost of getting some local landscaper in to do it for you. So keep watching and let's learn together. So the first stage of setting out string line levels, you need to get the end to end laid. So I've got string line on the left hand side going all the way to the right hand side, and what we're actually aiming for level wise would be this. As long as your level, the actual bubble in the level, is just past the line, then that would be an adequate full. That actually calculates out from left to right. Every 1 meter drops down 10 millimeters. So that's what that looks like. So when you're doing your patio, set it out the bubble just past the line, and that should be sufficient full for the water to run off. Okay, so now we've sorted our levels out from left to right. We got the four we're after. We need a piece of batten, whatever length you can get, and we need to drill some holes in the batten so you can take a screw to bolt onto the wall. There's one screw, and we'll stick another screw in this end. Put the hole about there. So now that's on. Now we need to attach that to the wall because this is going to be our level we're going to be following. That looks pretty much where I want it. Hopefully that's solid. Yep, there we go, nice and solid. So same procedure now, one for the other line. Check the level is running exactly where it needs to be, and we just do the same thing right the way around the patio. Okay, so we just put the batten in position where it needs to go. This is the level we're looking for, so we'll keep that in position now. Then I'll drill the other screw through to the other side and tighten it up, and then that's that section done. So, mustn't forget to put the packer. Let's keep that. There we go. So now the string line can go underneath here because this is the level we're actually going to be following. So the same procedure now, right the way around. So there we go, there's the first side done. So let's have a closer look at it then. So, screw in the end, a packer either side. Same here, packer there, packer in there. And, oh, the packer fell out. Well, anyway, so there's enough room for the gap to allow the string line to go behind it. Now I just have to do this one. Down the ends, not too bad, because there's some posts going up over there, so it'll be quite easy to attach to. So I got my level sorted already. You can just make out the string line. So I'm going to follow that going across the back. So we're halfway around, the side's done. I just got to screw that end piece in now. It is a bit of faffing about, but it's always about the prep. If you, the DIYer, follow this type of instruction, you get to pull your string line from the back to the front, nice and taut. Then that means your tiles will be perfect, and it'll help you out in the long run. So yeah, always about the prep. So don't stress, just chill out and get on with it. Remember the timbers I was doing the other day, going around the outside, right? This is where these things come in handy. I'll spin the camera around now and I'll show you the reason why they're really good idea to do, to help you guys out if you're doing this type of thing. Right, bear with me. So, the bonus of having the string line up already, like this, you can check your sub base height. If I can get my boot underneath there, which I can, from the sole to the top of my boot, is 60mm. Which I can there, because the tile is 20mm, and I'm after a 40mm cement bed. So there's your other reason why it's good to get it in so early. So we started getting them in now. We got the border sorted out, got the mitered edge. So now we're going to start sticking some more slate in. So you can see the string lines now. Those two lines going across there to the back. Following that guide I set earlier. If you get that sorted, then that's it. You're pretty much good to go. It's absolutely, I would say foolproof, because nothing's foolproof, but it'll make your life so much easier. Simple thing, string line, timber, coin blocks, screws, bolt to the wall, and everything else is stress-free. Right, so I've got the back of the tile grouted. Now I just got to spin it round and put my grabber on it. Great bit of kit. Great bit of kit. Bish bosh. Yeah, so what I normally do when I'm doing tiling, I normally use a 5mm spacer. But natural products like this, 5mm spacers don't work. Porcelain, great, because they're always the same size. But you might get a bigger joint, smaller joint. Natural product, can't do anything about that. But I'll tap it down now and we'll move our way along. Right, sun's finally come out. Tuesday today, 21 degrees. Get in there. Get in there, nice knot. Right, this is the last video now of how to set out your patio using battens, string lines and coin blocks. So this, because I did that wall started the other day, we got the back wall timbers up and we got timbers on the back, and I've got my edge sorted out there. So now we can actually lay 4 lines. 4 lines is absolute massive overkill. You'll never need to do 4, but I'm going to do 4 anyway, because it's crazy. And I like crazy. Crazy is my middle word, my middle name. No, it's not, it's Henry. Right, so last video of that now. I'm going to show you what 4 string lines look like. And if you can't do it 4 string lines, you shouldn't be doing it at all. Get on the phone, ask somebody else to do it. Actually, talking about things like that as well. So many people ring me up at the moment. I can't do it all. I really can't do it all. As I can't do it all, go online, type in local Marshalls installer, get that screen up, enter your postcode, and you'll have 10 local landscapers close to you. I can't do it all. I can't. My phone's going. I'm not even answering it. I can't answer it. Do my head in. Can't do it. So if you're ringing, sorry, I'm not going to answer. Just can't. Right, 4 string lines. That's it. Just forgot what I was on about then. Right, I'll spin it around, show you what 4 string lines look like. And if you can't lay 4 string lines, get someone else to do it. Okay guys, 4 string lines. The tricky part is actually going to be getting her in there, but I will get it in there. I will do it, because I've got a grabbo. Right, keep it there. I'm just going to tap it down while I'm at it. Just grab my hammer. And then after this, then I'll check it and show you the levels. Okay, happy with that. Nice, just touching it, just flicking. Perfect. These ones are actually a bit harder to see because they're actually on top of the line. But yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's what 4 string lines looks like. A bit tricky to get it in, but you know, if needs be, it can be done. Right, I'm going to get rid of 2 of those lines because there's far too many. So keep watching if you want to see the full install, but otherwise like and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly on the next one. Catch you later.